Do you have cherished photos that need to be hung on the wall for all to admire?
Do you hate having to purchase frames that can cost up to $30?
If so, then this is for you. We have created an amazing new product called the CDP frame.
Over 5,000 people have bought this item already. Don't you want to be part of the newest photo hanging craze? Don't just take our word for it. Here's what one of our happy customers has to say.
I have over a dozen CDP frames, and just look at how they can turn your bare, boring walls into a collage of all your favorite memories.
And for today only, if you call in the next 15 minutes, we will send you 2 free CDP frames, plus a bonus gift. Must pay separate shipping and handling. The available colors are red, blue, pink, black, white, rainbow, yellow, purple, and green. The CDP frame is $4.95 plus $2.49 shipping and handling. To order, go to www.cdp.com. You must be 18 years or older to order.